Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I created this ripped mouth look. First step is remove any lipstick you have on. Here are all the products I used to create this look. Next, you're going to need toilet paper. If you have 2-ply, you'll have to separate the layers and then rip them into little pieces. Next, I'm applying the latex in the shape I want the cut to be. While the latex is still wet, start applying one layer of toilet paper on top. Once you have the one layer of toilet paper down, you want to put a little bit more latex on top and let dry. After the first layer is dry, you want to repeat 3 to 4 times. So latex, toilet paper, latex, dry, then repeat. Once you have finished 3 to 4 layers and they're completely dry, you can start adding foundation to blend it into your skin and powder, bronzer, and whatever else you want to kind of blend it into your face. This next part is where it gets a little bit tricky. You have to make sure that you don't cut yourself, and I really suggest using a small pair of sharp scissors for this. Once all of that is done, we can get into the fun part, which is the face paint. So you want to take red first and put it like in there and just like kind of just like be messy with it. And then I take the black and I put it like kind of up under the folds to give it a little bit of depth. Next, I like to take a stippling sponge and I just kind of get messy, and I just like to do this because once you put down the fake blood, it makes it look like thick blood, so it just makes it more like realistic. So last step is applying the fake blood. I like to get right in the cut, and then I use the stippling sponge and get messy with it. Also, using your fingers to smudge it is a really good idea as well.
We gon' break up, then we make up, act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher, leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. We gon' break up, then we make up, act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher.